Hey there, fellow finance enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a topic that might save you some money and simplify your wallet. How to downgrade your Citi Strata Card. If you're dealing with that annual fee or just want a more basic option, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, why would you even want to downgrade? The Citi Strata Card is great for travel rewards, but it comes with a fee that might not be worth it if your spending habits have changed. Downgrading could mean switching to a no annual fee card like the Citi Custom Cash or even a standard Citi card, helping you avoid unnecessary costs while keeping your account open for credit history purposes. Step 1. Gather your info. Before you make the call, have your card details handy, like your account number and the last 4 digits of your social security number for verification. This will make the process smoother. Step 2. Contact Citi customer service. The easiest way is to call the number on the back of your card. They're available 24/7, so pick a time when you can chat without interruptions. Politely explain that you'd like to downgrade your Strata card. Be prepared for them to ask why. Honesty helps, like mentioning budget changes or unused rewards. Step 3. Discuss your options. Citi reps can walk you through available downgrades. For instance, you might switch to the Citi Double Cash Card, which has no annual fee and still earns rewards. Ask about any potential impacts, such as losing existing rewards or how it affects your credit score. Usually, downgrading doesn't hurt as much as closing an account. Step 4. Confirm the changes. Once you agree on a new card, the representative will process it right away. Your new card might arrive in the mail, and your old one could be closed or converted. Double-check the details before hanging up. Finally, after downgrading, keep an eye on your statements to ensure the annual fee is gone and your rewards are tracking as expected. If anything seems off, reach out to Citi again. Remember, downgrading is a smart move if it fits your financial goals. It's all about making your money work for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I've got your back. See you next time.